goes fishing again. Yeah. Ah, my headphones. Yay. Hate that I can't go full screen. Oh, I don't want you. I don't know what you are, but I don't want you. So, oh, I got two of you. No, go away. Become bait. Hold on. Who wants it? Oh, you guys want? No. No, no, no. Become bait. Oh, no, I don't want. Okay. No, 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 no. Will become bait. Thank you. I got someone. Good. I need a big boy. Big boy. No, not you guys. A big boy. No, no, no. Big boy. No, not you guys. No. Okay, Mr. Mustard. You know what? Just go to the back. Okay, let me go to the catalog. I need a what? Sybil fin. I need a Sybil fin. Here. This valuable fish darts about the sea, fleeing the detergent. He's a relentless predator. So he's a medium. So, do I have any huge Okay, so I need. Just go back so I can sell it. You know what? No, let's go all the way forward. Okay, let's go catch some fish. That was not a good throw. Take it. Oh, really? Come on, man. Really fishy? Why'd you have to steal my bait? No, I know you're thinking about it, fishy down there. No. No, no. Oh, I think I saw the simple fish. I think what the red dude was chasing was a silverfish. It looked like it. It was medium also. No, no. Grumper? I think that's your name? Die. Can I get one? Does it want to eat my thing? No, Grumper. Please, please, before no. Backing up and then. Take it. Grumper, stop it! How do you like that? Take it. You blind fish, take it. No. Take it, blind fish. Thank you. No, Grumper. No, I don't want you guys. I want that medium over there. Oh my god. I can get a new hook. What? Oh. So I have that. I need. Okay. One of you blind fish, take it. No. I just need a blind fish to take it. Okay, no. Okay, good. I have a grumper. That's not the. No, stop that. Is that a fish? No, that's a spallow. Someone get it, please. I don't want you. I want that pink fish that keeps. I'm so happy that those like little fish don't eat it. Stop! No, no. I don't want any of you bit. Oh, yes, yes. Is that a sip? Is that a Sibblefin? Is that a Sibblefin? Be a Sibblefin. Yeah, let's go! Oh my god. Go back there. What's my next quest? I don't have one? Oh my god, I finally got that Sibblefin. Let's go! Don't eat it. No, 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 no. I want that red dude. He should be pretty easy to get when I get. You big boy, come here. One of you big boys. No. Oh, no, 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 no. Actually, sure, eat all of it. I don't really care. Now, go, and now I can get that red dude if it lets me. Yes! I got the red dude. Coming in. Okay, let's go. Man, let's go. About to get $43,000. Let's go. Quest. 2 rockets. I'm still gonna do that one. I always just do quests only. And I should, yep. Let's see how far this dude can go. No, I don't want you. Okay. Let's get it. No, not that. Another. No, don't move that. Another rocket. Go fly fishy. You're the first fish in history to fly. No, no, I know you're blind. I know you're that. Yes. Okay. No, big fish, go away. Why did I pull it up? I didn't need to. No, eat it. Go away, Grumper. Actually, Grumper, yeah, come here. No, stay right there, Grumper. I changed my mind. Stay right there. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Grumper, let's go, Grumper. Now, no small fish can get it. No, blue dude, go away. Okay, I don't think I've ever got this dude, so I'm fine with that. A grump? Just a grump, okay. Not bad. Ooh, no, no. Oh, wait, you can't. I want that. No, I want that big dude that's swimming around. Yeah, you. I'm gonna put him right here. Yes! You're going in the back of this. And just anyone get it. Just anyone. I don't really care. Okay, cool. You got it. Now you can be... Go die. Okay, what? Okay, I'll get one of you again. I found that. I'm sick today, so I have stuffy nose. I was also sick yesterday. No, not you guys. Oh my god. Okay, what's my new... Can I like go backwards? And like try to get another big dude? Yeah, like you. That's why I'm going backwards, to get you. Come here, come here. Let's go. We almost got it. Sibling. But not on my watch. I'm getting another one of you. You go in the back. And just go. That's way too bad cast. Okay. Let's go. Okay, cool. You got it. No. Grandpa, just eat it. Oh. You just want to dance? Okay. Eat it. Good. Okay, now no small fishies can get it. I saw another one of you. Yep, I saw you. Saw you right there. Yep, yep. There's a yummy fish right here. Yep, yep. No, come on, Separin, dude. Get it? Yes! My bowl's gonna be filled with these Separa dudes. No, I don't want to put that thing in there. Take it. No, don't eat it. No. Okay, just, you know what? Yeah, sure, eat them. Don't care. Okay, good. And I want to see what high fish are down, or at the beginning. No, not. Okay, I got the queen fish. Wow, they really want the queen fish. I'm surprised I didn't get well, I guess I got medium, so. Oh no, where'd your queen go? Okay. Oh wow, I got another mission completed. I need to get my another mission though. New quest. 2 rockets again? No, not yet. Go back in there, I don't want you. Okay, Groper. I want the cow. I forgot about that cowfish. Wow, they're still trying to get her. Hopefully no big dudes try to get it. Other mustard fish, I know you want it, but you're not getting it. Get it. Good. I got a cow here. Let's go. Let's just go down there. Only big fish are acceptable. One of you is gonna get it eventually. Okay, one of you. Okay, never mind. Get it. Okay, cool. Kingfish, you can go die now. What? When I get a big fish, oh my god. Eat it. Eat it. Come here. Come up here. Come up here. You, mustard fish, dude. No, I don't want you. I'm gonna just delete all of these kingfish. Unless I get a mustard fish, finally. No, don't do it far. No. What's down here even? A lot of mustard fish. Okay, let's go. No, Mr. Cow. I'm just letting this mustard fish feast. Come on. Get rid of all these kingfish. Not you, bro. Cuttlefish. Last kingfish. Or 3 more kingfish. 2 more kingfish. 1 more kingfish. Yes, I almost got a mustard fish. Yes, I got rid of all these dumb kingfish. Now get that mustard fish. Yeah! No, no, not you guys again. Let's go. And new rod upgrade. Forgot. I got. Give me this quick rod. Yay, got unlocked the quick rod. How quick is it? Oh wow, that's pretty quick. Okay, go deeper though. Wait, now I need to get all the stuff for it. Hold on. Okay, sure, eat it. I really don't care. Okay, hold on. I need to get this stuff. Wait, what's my? I need a hat. What do you do? Clean fish bones are worth twice as much as a live fish. Fish active. Man, they're both really bad. I guess I'll just do bones because it looks cool. Mustard fish gets it. Why is it going down? Bait cards. I'm poor. No, I don't want to be poor. Someone's probably like, well, too bad. I know it. Someone's gonna say that eventually. But by the way, I forgot to say, please like and subscribe because this is fun and I work pretty hard to do this. Kind of. Actually, I work pretty hard. Maybe like an hour for like 30-minute ones. Anyways, okay, get that mustard fish, please. No, mustard fish is running away. Mustard fish is running away. No, just hug the top of the water. Make sure you're done, and then you go. Okay. I'm gonna go forward. And then when I'm gonna go right here, see what big dudes there are. No, I know you guys can eat it now. And I can retreat if I need to. No. I was gonna get that big dude down right there. Did you see it? That big dude. Okay. Well, let's just. No, not that. No. Are worthless. And not bad, I guess. It's not worthless at all, actually. Like, at all. I guess I was looking at. No, I don't put the bait in there. No, stop putting the bait. There. Beautiful cast. So you know, by the way, I've only went fishing twice in my whole life. Okay, get one of you small fishies. Come on. You. Someone. Thank you, cuttlefish, for being, a fish. No. Thank you for, a fish is gonna get eaten by a fish, what gets eaten by a fish, what gets eaten by a fish, what gets eaten by a fish, what? I don't know what I'm saying. No. I know you're thinking about. No. mustard fish, save me. Mustard fish. No, no, what is that? What is that? What is that? Why is there a shark after me? What did I do, Mr. Shark? What are these all things? What are these things? Oh. Oh, wow, thank you. I mean, I'll get one of these blind fish if you don't mind. Not again. Why'd you take it? What did I do, Mr. Shark? One of you guys, cuttlefish, come here. Are you? No. I'm gonna use. I'm so happy I have this quick rod, so I can just play the game faster. Wait, no, don't cast it. What am I doing now? No, go. Why is that all green? Wow. Get it, get it. Okay. Thank you, finally. No small fish. No. 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 Okay, let's just go up. You got in the boat. Let's get in the back. Just leaving. We're leaving. So, $45,000. Let's go. Okay, I need bait guard. I don't want to get rid of it. What else? Only available if there's a fish. I don't know. These species will be more attracted to your lure. Stacks up. Scouting. You're alive with the. Ripple. What do I have on my other one? Hold on. Let's see what I had on the. Okay, so up and down. Okay. The up and down one. Up. Improved. Okay, and then diving lure. And that's it. Okay, let's go back. Let's just get one of you cuttlefish. Cool. What am I doing? Just go. And 3, 2, 1, stop. Get a grumper. Good job, grumper. Huge hook. Chainfish without recasting and hook most huge fish. Nah. Later. Eh. Ooh, I got a catfish. I think, but yeah, this is a catfish. I love catfish. They're so cool, like cats. Ooh, no, I can't put you. I can't put you back out in the water, or else you'll just escape. Eat it. What do you do? You're just looking at it like. Eat it. Thank you. Just forcing a fishy thing to eat a fish. That's not good. Blah, 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 blah. Hat. I want the hat. No, I want the hat. Oh, I'm gonna go back. Whoa. What's this? See minimap. Sonar paddle that. Look at that. Wow. See fish there swimming just below the hook. Sonar paddle reveals where fish are swimming. Oh, probably the night. That's cool. I like that. Okay, so now I have a mini map. Whoa, it's top left corner. It's really small, but it's still seeable. That's really cool. Oh no, Mr. Shark. No, who are you? You can get it if you want, or you don't really care, but no, Mr. Should have looked at the mini map. I'm just gonna only look at the mini map. So, you fish, take it. Thank you. Doesn't do it above though. That's really cool. I'm gonna go get my clothes. So just. Okay, cool. I'm just go in the back. I'm gonna go sell. No. Oh my god. No. What's happening? Go. You're just going back. Go. Cool. A cuttlefish. Go in the back. Very. What? Whoa. It's cool. He's not even on the. What? Okay. So. Okay. Sell. New quest. 1 red skitter. Those are. Medium, right? I think I know what a red skitter is. Never mind, I don't know what a red skitter is. It's one. Red skitter is very valuable. So where's skitter? Cool. Okay, so my first huge shark. My first huge, yay! Okay, so they're surrounded by skitters, just normal. I don't know where they are or what they look like. Can you not? Look at all these fishies. Oh, come on! Go in the back. Really useful. You got $1,000. I'm just gonna guess that it's farther out this way. No, you're not getting that. Yo, you get that. I want you. Yes, yes, you. Yes! Here. Man, if only you got eaten, that would be really good. But you didn't, so I just got you. No, oh, wow. I just put it backwards. Cool. Someone. Where are some skitters? I need some skitters. Are there any skitters here? No. No, okay. Any skitters? Hello? Those were kingfish, not skitters. No. Okay, I'll just go. Wait, what was that yellow thing? Okay. Where are some skitters? Oh, I saw some kingfish down there. Oh, mustard fish. Hello. No, no, no. You're not gonna... Get it more, thank you. Well, at the very beginning. Go be bait! I don't think I have a good enough boat for it to find skitters. Wait, but I've got a skitter before. Okay, so what does a skitter look like? Whoa, I saw Mr. Shark down there. No, 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 no. Wait, actually, thank you. I think. Oh, it's pretty dark. I can't see anything. It's really dark. Oh wow. Need it. Yay! No, Mr. Shark. Mr. Shark. What is that? Whoa, what is that? Go in there. That's pretty good. Thank you, Mr. Shark. Thank you very much. Someone good at you. Just good at thank you. I saw skitters over there. That was good. So I need to go for those skitters over there. Wait, no, I'm gonna... No. Oh. Dang it. I can't get those skitters. Because I have a big thing. A magic thing. Mustard fish, eat it. Eat it. New quest. Run red skitter. Bulbfish. Oh, I think I know what bulbfish are. Yep. I saw them all down there. It's cool. What are you talking about? No, I saw two huge ones. I just didn't see his whole thing. His whole face. His thing. So. Exotic bonus. No. Okay, I guess let's go back to where the skitters are. And by the way, how do I get a new boat? Oh wait, it's a menu, right? Yeah. No, what? How do I get a new boat back? Wait, it's at the beginning, right? There. Why is that one green? Do you see that? Okay, so after I get my red fisher dish. What is that? What is that? Oh, let's get her. No. I saw you over there. What is that? What is that? What is that? Take it. No, actually don't take it right yet. Take it. Okay. Swooper. I'm looking at my scanner. Make sure the shark doesn't come here and destroy me. Sure, I'll get one of you guys. I'm fine with that. No. I've never got one of you guys, I don't think. Leo fish. Sure, why not go in there? Wait, I have to if I want that skitter. So those skitters over there. Come here. Skitter, skitter, skitter. No, there. I didn't even notice you got it. I'm blind. No, are you serious? No. What is that? What is that? What is that? Hubba. No, come back here. You won't escape me. I'm looking at my radar. Make sure none of you hooligans come and get me. I saw you, Mr. Shark. Bullfish wolf. No. Are you serious? Are you gonna break my line? Oh, thanks. I can't see my radar. What did I just get? Oh, he stole it. What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, what are you guys? I'm gonna look at my catalog real quick. See what those guys are. Wait. Did I do something? What did I do? Look here, look. Boy, why did I do that? Ow. Stop! Why can't I see anything? What I do? What I press? What I press? I don't know how I did that. Oh yeah, I did all that. What? Okay, you go in the back. I don't know why. I'll just go to the beginning. Maybe that'll work. Okay, Q, W. Okay, just. This is a very protected thing. No, you don't get that. Oh, I don't know what this hook does. Good for you. Okay, I think that's enough though. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, let me just get a fish real quick. And sell. If it wait, wait. I wanna explode something real quick. Okay, I'm happy. Come here. Come here. Okay, cool. I'm out. Bye bye.